So this is going to be just a quick walking tour through the Khao Lak Merlin Resort Hotel. Just as you enter, very much a Caribbean style entranceway, all very open. The reception staff are absolutely lovely here. I walked in and they gave me an ice towel straight away, so I must have looked hot. So I'm not going to do a room review, this is only for the grounds, just to give you an idea. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, it really does help. I've not been here before, so I'm just going to wander around and see what I find. Just entering the lobby or lounge. Times that are open. Live music. Lots of fans. Yeah, again, it's very open, so if there's a breeze, it'll really cool the place down. Plenty of places to sit in the shade. And that looks like one of the pools down there, so I'll just have a walk down. See what's this way. They just told me there's quite a bit of renovation going on here at the moment. It is low season, so I'm filming in early June 2024. It's just a changeover from high to low season, so I suppose it is the best time to do any renovation work. The rooms that are available start at 3,200 at the moment. That's for 2 people, including breakfast. That's the low season rate. This looks like the breakfast area. Obviously all closed now. And the outdoor area. There we go, there's a program here. And just general directions to get around the hotel. Nice and shaded in this spot. Plenty of trees. So it looks like there's steps and a walkway. I'll go down the walkway. We've got the spa. I won't go in, I'll just walk you through to where it is. This is the programs that they offer. Price list here. outdoor massages. Just try and get rid of my shadow. Our basic massage needs to be 600. Some hotels are offering this for around about 450. And it seems to be 650 here, so it seems to be quite a premium. On the main street, you can get an hour's massage for around about 300 baht. There seems to be another pool down there, so I'll walk over there next. That's the first pool we've got. Some information about the local butterflies and seasonal flowers. Morning. 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 Ornamental pool. Seen a fish. Can't see any fish, but I'm sure there are some. I think this is where the massages would take place, the outdoor ones. I can see a massage table just there, I can see that beyond. And there's obviously the prices again. And here you're at the bottom end of the spa. It was at the top a moment ago. The weather today is really hot. It's like a children's pool, a little bit of shade going on, water slide. Just beyond is a main pool with a swim up bar. Yeah. Small children's play area. And just behind that looks like it's a snack bar on the beach. Looking back up the hill, main resort. There's lots of trees, so lots of shade. Daytime restaurant, snack bar. I'll just pan back in a moment. Don't want to video people eating. Biologist corner. So, lots of nature stuff going on. On the beach bar. Hello. Happy hour. 11 till 8 for the evening. One side. Lots of shade again. And then on to the beach. Nice big long stretch of sand to have a walk on. Sea's lovely and calm today. Walk you down. Not sure how far this stretch of sand goes to, but looks like it goes quite a way. And I'll conclude the video here. So if you do like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. And thank you for joining me on my walkthrough tour. Thank you.